Hi guys, welcome back to episode 9 of the Cub bike build. So in the last episode you would have seen us cutting up the frame, making the back end and getting it all ready for welding. So if you haven't seen that, go back and watch it. What are you doing? Okay, so a couple of things with this episode. You may notice the camera quality is better. I have gone out and bought a new camera. I've got a GoPro 11, so I'm hoping that works. Hoping the sound's good. Lots of issues to overcome. I'm new to all this. So with that said, in this episode I want to try and get these trimmed properly. As you can see, I've just sort of rough cut the ends so they can just sort of fit on here. I want to decide a position where I'm going to put them, and then I've got the top piece as well, so I need to trim this one so it sort of fits against the frame better. And I also have to work out the width of the new axle and where I want to put the spacers and what I need each side. I have actually received the wheels that I've ordered. I haven't given you a preview yet, but I do need to get them out just so I can get the width for the rear axle, because we've got the spacers and the plates here, and then that's the hub for it, which is okay. I think I'm gonna possibly make a new one. I'm not sure yet, but I think I've been speaking to Dean and we're thinking of making a 4-bolt flange rather than the 3, just more strength and more sprocket options. So these are the spacers that come with the kit, which is quite nice. Obviously that one goes on the drum side, and then this one goes on the sprocket side. So I'm just going to measure those up. That'll give me the width I need, my minimum width for the axle, and then I'm going to add probably 10mm either side, just so I can get the wheel centered. I'll get some custom spacers made up. Okay, so standard width is 170, so I'm going to add 190. I'm not sure why I've got the pen. Sorry, I'm going to make it to 190, so I'm going to make 2 10mm spacers to go on either side along with the standard spacers, and then that'll give me some wiggle room. So what I need is 2 spacers at 17.5. So I've just marked them off. I'm going to get them cut. Okay, we have some materials. See what's in here. You could probably guess. That's right, it's steel. I have, what did I order? I can't remember now. I've got 2mm plate for the front forks, and I've got 4mm plate for the axle plates. So the next part is, I've just trimmed these up. These are the top rails. I've made a rough place on here and a little template so I can transfer it to the other side so it'll be symmetrical. And then I'm going to tack this on. That'll give me the angle for the rear plates. Right, that now gives me the angle I need. I just don't want to cut this plate until I've actually verified it. So I'm going to tack this piece up here where I've marked. Bring it down here. That'll also, once it's tacked, give me the level mark to cut this line here so I can join the 2 tubes. Okay, I'm just going to transfer this template onto the 4mm steel, and then I'll get it cut, we'll get it all tightened up on the back and tack welded, and we'll see what it looks like from there. So I just went ahead and cut all the pieces, got all the angles right, and then cut the 2 plates for the axle